Hello guys, hope you are doing well today. The purpose of this video is just to teach you guys autocomplete search functionality with Django. You know how the normal basic Django project is like. Okay, this is a project I was working on, but it doesn't have the search yet. But you know how the Django search function is like. You have to like type everything and click on search before it will find it for you. Actually, I don't have anything here, so it's not going to find anything for you. But this time around, I want to create a functionality just like your normal search in your local browser or YouTube, something like this. Let's type for the Django. As you can see, it's filtering it for me, showing me other options. Am I looking for the Django hero code, the Django message, or that? So that's just what we are going to do in this project. So based on my search, there's nothing here, nothing is working, so that's what we are going to do here. So let's get started. First of all, you have to like go to jQuery. You have to come to jQuery UI. This is their documentation. You can read through it. There are other things you can do here, but the purpose of this video is the autocomplete. So this is it right here. Let's search for like PHP. As you can see, as you type P, it's giving you other options. This is just basically what we need. So we're going to come down here to this view source and just copy all this. So let's just copy all this and start making use of it. First, we have to copy this first one, the style sheets, and paste it in our project at the top. We have pasted that, so we'll come back there again and paste on these two, and paste these two, but I think we're going to paste this one at the bottom. I think that's all we need. Yeah, we're still going to come and copy all this. A lot of copying though. Yeah, copy and paste makes your work quite faster. I don't know about you though, but it makes my work faster. I've pasted that, so let me indent this a little bit. Indent. Okay. I think now we are done with our copy and paste. So let's first try this out if it's working. So let me give this an ID of search, and in our navbar we have to give the same ID of search. Okay, here we don't have any ID, so ID equals to search. Okay, I think that's all we need to do for now. Let's first try it out and check if it is working. Let's come back to our project. Maybe let's try to refresh. Okay, let's type P. Okay, it's working. PHP, you can see PHP, just the same thing that we have here. If you type maybe Python, you can see Python. So now that is working in our project, but this is not what we need. I want to be able to get what is in my own database. I want to be able to get these titles: coding tutorial, ad, man of the year. I want to get my own titles in my own database. So let's get started. Since that is working, we don't need this anymore. We have to get rid of all these. Yes. Okay, so we need to come here and give a URL. I already have a URL already. I already have a URL search, and I have my view, but I don't have anything here yet. It's just I kept some paths. I already have a URL, so let's get back here and do this. Sorry. URL. So what's your URL? Is search, and this is all you need to do. But for some reason this doesn't work for me, but I don't know why, but it doesn't work for me, so I have to wrap this up with JSON. Sorry, why am I saying JSON? I mean Ajax. So what does Ajax do, or what is Ajax, or what does Ajax do? So what's the use of Ajax? Ajax helps to exchange data with a server in the background while the user interacts with the page. I don't know if you get my point. It just helps, like it's just sending message to the back end and bringing it to the front end. So let's make use of Ajax here, because I don't know, normally this works for some people, but in my case this doesn't work, so we have to make use of Ajax. So let's wrap this up in a document. Already, and we're not going to be needing this anymore since we're going to be making use of Ajax. So function so request response so now let's call out Ajax. So our URL, if you can remember, my URL is search. Sorry, I'm just trying to be too fast. URL search. So what next? I don't forget to add a comma here because I'm going to allow myself to throw. So data search request dot time I forgot to add my data type before the data. Sorry about that. So what will be my data type? This is where the JSON comes in. I've been saying JSON. Now I'm going to make use of it. Then our success. This data. What's our success? Response. Are responding to the data. I think this is all we need. So this is all we need, and we're good to go. I don't know, I have too much space here. So now let's go back to our search. I think we're good to go here. Let's hope we don't land ourselves into error later, but I think we're good to go here. So let's come to our view. So now in our view, let me clear this. We'll do search, variable name search equals to request dot get, then get. What are we getting? Search, search. Okay, what next? Posts. Objects. That's filter. Where did I get this post? I got this post from my model. because this is what we are looking for, the post. And in the post, we want to get all the titles because that's the names we are looking for. So that's why I got the post. So we are filtering by the title. That will be title. Title underscore I contains equals to I contain. The usefulness of I contain, it helps you to filter your search. So even though you are searching, even though maybe what you typed, your database, everything is uppercase, and you are searching based on lowercase, I contain will help you to still look for it. Even though they are all lowercase and you are typing on uppercase, I contains will still help you to look for it, no matter whether it's uppercase or lowercase. So that's why we make use of I contains. But if you don't add the I contains, or maybe just use contain, you're going to have issue if you don't give it the specific name you're looking for. So that's why we prefer to use I contains. So moving forward, we need to return JSON response for autocomplete requests. So let's do this. If requests dot headers dot get getting X requested with equals to X XML HTTP requests. I think this is a capital. So why did I use this line? Okay, let me explain a bit. So this basically helps to check if my HTTP request is an AJAX request. That's the usefulness of this line here. So let's continue. So title, variable name, titles. Let me use titles this time around. Titles equals to let's use this in a list. Post that titles for post in post. I know you're wondering why I wrote this in a single line. This is just basically saying for posts in posts, then return post dot titles. This is just basically what I wrote here, but I wrote it in a single line. It's basically almost the same. It's basically the same thing, not almost the same thing. Basically the same thing, but I decided to just write it in a single line to make my code quite easy and maybe easy to read too. So now we need the JSON response. So we need to import that up here. Okay, yeah, we need to import it here from the Django.http import JSON response. Yes, this is all we need, JSON response. So let's come down here and make use of it. So now what are we returning? We should return the JSON response title titles safe equals to false. So now we need to render search results for normal requests. So that's when our context dictionary comes in. Context. I don't know why I always forget to do that. Search. So we should need to return. Today, but I'm just basically typing with my left brain. So what's our template name? Or basically I already have a template name search. That's HTML. So that's basically what I'm going to make use of. So I think this is all we need. So let's go back and try it out in our front end. So we need to like refresh a little bit. Okay, now our page is loaded. So let's try searching for coding tutorial ad. Okay, and I think it's not working. I'm coming, let me check a little bit. Oh, sorry, is this titles and filtering, not the variable name titles. I just removed the S. It was titles, so I just removed the S here. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that. Let's go back and run it again. So now our project has loaded. So let's try searching for something that is in our database. Remember, I was searching based on the titles. This title, let's say like I contains filter and filtering based on the title. So let's try looking for something in the title. Let's try writing coding tutorial. Okay, now coding tutorial. This is the first one, coding tutorial. You can either press on the search. Yeah, so it's working. Let's try searching for what can I search for again, man? As you can see, it's working. This is the second thing that is there, so it's filtering for me. But one more thing I want to like show you guys. Let's check this out. So let's come here. You know, if I start typing like first character, it will filter. So now I want to do something, and let's type min length. Let's make it 2. But initially, as you can see, once I type C, it starts showing me options already. But this time around, when you add this min length, okay, 2. Like I said, let's start with 2. Let's refresh. So once I type C, you see nothing is happening until I type O. That's when it starts showing. So that helps it to trigger when the second character, when you type in your second character. Like if you type this, it won't trigger yet till you add another character or another letter. So let me search for something else. I think I have something I love. Yeah, I love this place. So you can search for this. So basically it's working. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.